media was managed properly and work was being done. So that backlash came to me. So it was a pre-planned thing. And then the entire leadership backing Bhupesh Baghel ji and his man Sushil Anand Shukla. Can you imagine 7 days and till date a show cause notice has not been issued. Arnab, what happened to me first? The first incident that happened with these people of offering me alcohol happened during the Nyaya Yatra. I raised this up with Rahul Gandhi's team. I raised this with Jairam Ramesh, who was a part of the Yatra continuously. Sachin Pilot, who was in charge, as well as the state president of Fed, and also Bhupesh Baghel ji. I raised all these concerns with them, and yet no action was taken. A man offering a woman alcohol, knocking at her door in the middle of the night in Korba is not acceptable. But yet everyone remains silent. Rahul Gandhi never used to meet anyone. He would come for the Nyaya Yatra, travel in his car, wave at a couple of people, and go back to his trailer. The party was spending lakhs and crores of rupees on his yatra. Yet he had no time to meet the office bearers, or he never sat down with any of the Congress leaders. And you know, the worst part was that he would call people, oh, there's going to be a photo session. Stand in line, सबके साथ photo खींची 1-2 minutes and done. That is the only interaction that he had with the local leaders. A leader, he is not the Congress president anymore, and he still has no time. He would be locked up in his trailer the whole day. His trailer was kept aside. His trailer was not with everyone else. The other yatris were kept elsewhere. This was like everybody's achut. If he would not interact with anyone, what kind of Nyaya Yatra are you on if you would not meet your own people? I'm not snapping, I'm waiting. I've been waiting for six long nights and days. 6 long days and nights, Arnab, I waited for the party to take action. I wrote to them, I tweeted, I spoke to them, I begged, I cried. Right from Rahul Gandhi ji to Priyanka Gandhi ji to Kharge ji to Jairam Ramesh ji to Pawan ji to Sachin Pilot ji to Bhupesh Baghel ji to Deepak Baig ji. But no one took any action. It's only when I told them that I'm going to the police. Yes, I have everything is on record, and I tweeted also. And then, you know, when I finally said that I'm going to take this to the police and I'm going to file a complaint, it was only then that Pawan Khera ji wrote to the PCC president and said that, you know, give us a report. So the state president called me and I went to meet him. I took my mother to the office and I went to the Chhattisgarh Pradesh Congress office and I spoke to him. And when I reminded him of the complaints that I have regularly been making against this man of harassment, you know the thing that he asked me, आप शराब पीती है? अरे थोड़ी तो पीती होंगी, कभी कभी तो पी लेती होगी. That was his way. जो न्यायाधीश बन के कुर्सी पे बैठे हैं, वो मुझे ये बोल रहे हैं आप थोड़ी तो पी लेती होंगी. मैं शराब पीती हूँ, नहीं पीती हूँ. How does that give the man Sushil Anand the right to knock at my door in the middle of the night, to offer me alcohol, to abuse me, to lock me up in a room for 1.5 minutes? Does that give him a right? And what kind of a question was that? कि आप शराब पीती हैं, आप शराब तो पीती होंगी. That is how the report is being made.